guys, welcome back to Crafty Q. So today I'm going to show you how I made a balloon stand using PVC pipe. So I went to Home Depot and I got two 3/4 inch PVC pipes and I had them cut it for me. And I have because I want my stand to be a little taller than your normal balloon stand, I had them cut it at 5.5 inches tall. And then I have these other pieces. You have to come in 4s, and I believe these are about maybe 12 inches long. So you need 4 of these, and then you need a 4-way PVC pipe connector. Make sure that it is the right size to fit your pole size. Again, I'm using the 3/4, so this section right here is for 3/4 pipe. And then this is optional, but I just have these little caps to go on the ends of my pieces just to make it a little bit more pretty on the ends. But again, it's optional. So again, this is very simple, very easy. You can just go to Home Depot and get your pieces cut, and then I'll just show you very quickly what I did to get my balloon stand made. So you take if you're going to use the optional pieces for the end, just take them and connect them on one side of each pipe. All right, that was very simple. And then you take them and insert them to all 4 sides of your connector. Make sure they go in pretty tight. And all you do is take your whatever, mine is the 5.5 inch tall piece, and insert it there. And you guys, that is it. I mean, that is super easy, super simple, and very cheap. So, and then of course you do the whole balloons, and I'll do another tutorial on how I actually created the actual balloon stand, but with the balloons. But as far as just getting the base for your balloon stand, that's it, guys. So I thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. And also don't forget to hit the bell for notifications of when I add new videos. And I'll talk to you in the next one. Take care.